Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Are you ready to crochet your own Pokemon? In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet the adorable Jigglypuff, the pink puffy Pokemon with a big voice and even bigger eyes. This Amigurumi is perfect for Pokemon fans and makes a super cute gift or decoration. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, just follow along step by step, and you'll have your own Jigglypuff in no time. Here are the materials you'll need to crochet Jigglypuff. You'll need 4-ply cotton yarn. I'm using pink for the body, plus a little black, white, and blue for the face details. Next, a 3mm crochet hook, a yarn needle for sewing, a pair of scissors, and a stuffing tool, or you can use the back of your hook. And don't forget some polyester fiber fill for stuffing. Let's get started. We'll begin with Jigglypuff's body. Grab your pink yarn and your 3mm hook. Start by making a magic ring, then work 6 single crochets into it. Once you're done, pull the yarn tail tight. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Next, start the new round with a chain. We'll repeat this method for every round. Always slip stitch to end the round, then chain 1 to begin the next. This method helps keep the shape neat and even. For round 1, make 6 increases. That means 2 single crochets in each stitch around. You should have 12 stitches at the end of the round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Next, start the new round with a chain. In round 2, do 1 single crochet, then 1 increase, and repeat this sequence 6 times. That'll give you 18 stitches by the end. From rounds 3 to 6, just follow the written pattern and continue increasing as instructed. For rounds 7 to 12, simply make one single crochet in each stitch all the way around. For round 13, we'll start decreasing. Remember to begin with a chain as usual. Then we'll make a decrease. I'm using the invisible decrease here. To do that, insert your hook into the front loop of the next 2 stitches. Yarn under and pull through both loops. Yarn under again and pull through. And that's your invisible decrease done. After the decrease, make 5 single crochets. And repeat this sequence 6 times. Let's try again the invisible decrease. Insert your hook into the front loop of the next 2 stitches. Yarn under and pull through both loops. Yarn under again and pull through all loop. And here, the invisible decrease done. Make 5 single crochets. By the end of the round, you should have 36 stitches. For rounds 14 to 15, just follow the pattern as written. Before the opening gets too small, go ahead and fill the body with polyester fiber until it's nice and firm. Now just continue following the written pattern until the body is complete. Once you reach the last round, go ahead and fasten off, leaving a tail. Use your needle to weave the yarn through the front loops of the remaining stitches. Then pull tight to close the hole neatly. Secure the end and tuck it inside the body. And that's it. The body is done. Next, let's work on the hands. Just follow the pattern and make 2 identical pieces. Then we'll move on to the legs. Again, follow the pattern to make 2 legs. Don't forget to stuff a bit of polyester fiber inside before finishing the last round to give them a nice shape. Now for the ears, we'll make 2 triangle-shaped pieces. Just follow the pattern as usual. Then we'll crochet the inner part of the ears. I'm using pink yarn here instead of black, just so it's easier for you to see the stitches clearly on camera. Let's start with 3 chains. For row 1, begin with a chain. Then insert your hook into the back bumps of the chain and work 1 single crochet in each chain. That gives you 3 single crochets. For row 2, chain 1, flip to the back, then work 1 decrease, followed by 1 single crochet. For row 3, chain 1, flip to the back and make 1 decrease. Cut the yarn and fasten off, and that's it. One inner ear is done. Remember to use black yarn and follow this pattern to make 2 inner ears. Next, let's work on the blue part of the eye using the following written pattern. After that, we'll make the white part of the eye also following the written pattern. Lastly, let's crochet the hair. Start by making a knot in a magic ring. Then work 6 single crochets into the ring. Once you're done, pull the yarn tail tight to close the magic ring. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Then, chain 1 to start the next round. This method helps keep the shape neat and even. We'll repeat this method for each round. For rounds 1 to 3, simply work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. You should have 6 stitches in every round. For round 4, work 2 single crochets. Then make 2 increases. Followed by 2 more single crochets. You should have 8 stitches at the end of the round. In round 5, start with 1 single crochet, then make 6 increases, and finish with one single crochet. That gives you 14 stitches in total. From rounds 6 to 10, just work single crochet in every stitch. No need to increase or decrease. Now go ahead and fill it with polyester fiber to give it a nice shape. For round 11, make 7 decreases to close the top. Then cut the yarn and fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing it onto the body later. Now take the piece you made from rounds 1 to 3 and gently roll it up to form a little spiral. This will create that signature Jigglypuff hair swirl. Once you're happy with the shape, sew it in place on top of the head to secure it. And the hair is complete. Now that you've finished all the parts of Jigglypuff, let's assemble everything together. First, take the inner ear pieces and sew each one together with the outer ear. Then, attach the ears to both sides of the head from round 2 to round 7. Next, sew the hair spiral to the center of the head, positioning it from the magic ring up to around round 6. Now let's work on the eyes. Sew the blue eye and the white eye together. Then, using white yarn and light blue yarn, embroider the highlights and details onto the eye. Attach the eyes to the face, placing them between round 7 and 10. Now for the arms, sew both hands on each side of the body around round 11. Feel free to pose the arms however you like. Then attach the legs at the bottom of the body. And lastly, using black yarn, embroider the mouth on round 10. And there you have it, your very own crochet Jigglypuff is all done. I hope you had fun making this adorable little Pokemon with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the next video in the series. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next crochet project. Happy crocheting!